Hello everyone and welcome to a new class. For today we have a grammar lesson and a pronunciation lesson. So I want to discuss adjectives. I'm sure that you know what are adjectives, but let's do a very short revision. So what are adjectives? Adjectives are words that describe other words. Adjectives are describing words. describe يعني وصف. Let's take this example. The boy ran down the street. Let's add an adjective. Where do we add an adjective? Should we add it before the word boy or after the word boy? Before the word boy. The fast boy ran down the street. Let's take another example. I put on my pajamas. Let's add an adjective. Should we add it before the word pajama or after the word pajama? Of course, before. And we can add more than one adjective. I put on my soft, colorful pajama. Let's take another example. They went into the pool. We want to add an adjective. Where should we add it? Before the word pool. They went into the deep pool. Again, another example. I walked round the house. We want to add an adjective for the word house. What should we say? If we look at this picture, we can say that it's a scary house. So I walked around the old creepy house. So since we already know the word scary, we can learn this new word creepy. Creepy is also scary. Another example, the dogs chased me. Now this is a tricky one because we have dogs in plural. If we have a noun in plural and we want to add an adjective, does the adjective also take an S? Since dogs is plural? So the answer is no. The adjective can never be plural. So we say the large, strong dogs chased me. So dogs is in the plural, but the adjectives are still in singular. We don't say larges, stronges, dogs. We say large, strong dogs chased me. Okay, I think this is the last example. I saw lightning in the sky, and we want an adjective for the word lightning. Lightning is this thing in the picture, the light that you see before the thunder. So we can say, I saw white flashing lightning in the dark sky. So we added an adjective for lightning, and we also added an adjective for sky. I think this is the last one. Dad walked down the street. We want an adjective. Dad walked down the quiet, narrow street. So when I'm giving you more examples, is because I want you to learn new words, okay? I don't want you to say small street, okay? Write it down. Take a piece of paper and write quiet, which is silent, narrow, which is small, street. Okay, another example. I walked through the snow. We want an adjective. We can say, I walked through the freezing cold snow. Because I know you would say cold snow or white snow, but freezing is a new word, so also write that. So as you can see, we can have an adjective, we can have more than one adjective before the noun. I think this is the last one. Okay, another example. The lady sang a song. So in this sentence, we have two nouns, lady and song. And sang, by the way, is the past of sing. So we want an adjective. We can say the glamorous lady sang a song. As you can see in the picture, she is so glamorous, so fashion forward. So glamorous, it means very fashion forward, very nice, very kept together. Okay, now for your homework, you have 2 worksheets that I want you to work on. I'm so sorry I didn't print them for you, but I will send them to you on your phone, and you can also pause the video over here and do it on a piece of paper, okay? So, number 1, circle each adjective or adjectives in the sentences below. So all you have to do is just circle the adjective. So you write on your paper number 1 and you write the answer. You don't have to write the sentence, okay, and circle. Just write 1, just like they did here. For example, the car ride was bumpy. They just wrote bumpy because we look for the adjective. So remember, the adjective can come right before the noun, or it can come after the linking verb to be, which is a linking verb. Okay, so the car ride was bumpy. How was the car ride? It was bumpy. So remember that the adjective answers the question how. How was it? Was it red? Was it white? Was it bumpy? Was it fast? Was it slow? So on your paper, okay, I want you to do to write the number and just the answer next to it. For the second number here, you can put, by the way, for this one you can put A, number A, and for this one number B, okay, because so you won't have 1 and 1 and 2 and 2 the same. So part B, write a sentence with each adjective listed below. So you have an example. They gave us the adjective here, brave, and you have to come up with a sentence. For example, they said, the brave firefighter saved the puppy from the burning building. Okay, I want you to put these adjectives over here in sentences. If you don't know the words of the meaning of these, your best friend is Google. You can always ask Google for help. Okay, I'll just tell you briefly what they mean. Anxious, it means stressed, nervous, stressed out, okay? Cold, you know what is cold, when the temperature is very low. Sa'a. Cruel is bad and angry and evil. For example, my cruel sister took my toy away because she was bad. So cruel is bad. Dry, يعني ناشف, dry, not the opposite of wet. Also, your second homework will be this over here. So you have these words, okay, and you have to put them in these sentences. Okay, I will make the picture like this so you can pause the video over here. Oops. Okay, you can pause the video here and you can work on it. So you have these words. Let me explain them very fast. 5 means the number 5. Blue, the color blue. Hard, it's the opposite of soft. Soft is ناعم, soft. Intelligent, it's smart, intelligent. Cold, cold. Warm, the opposite of cold, يعني شوب or warm. Greener, it means it's more green, comes from the word green. Scary, something that is frightening, بخوف. Fast, it's the opposite of slow, يعني بسرعة. Slow, بطيء. Difficult, يعني hard. Difficult and hard are probably like the same word. Okay, so you have these 2 worksheets to work on.